Hi and welcome to Lesson 2 of Free Gift Coupons for WooCommerce. Configuring free gift coupons. In this video, I will show you how to configure free gift coupons in WooCommerce. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Marketing and click on Coupons. This is where you will create your new free gift coupon. Now, click the Add New Coupon button. Now, enter a coupon code. You can also add a description if needed. In discount type, we have percentage discount, fixed cart discount, fixed product discount, and free gift. If you want to allow free shipping, select this checkbox. You can also add an expiration date to your coupon. Now, let's add the free gift. Navigate to the free gift section and add the name of the product you want to give away. Now, select the product. If you want to add multiple gifts, repeat the process. Once the details are added, click on the Publish button. Your coupon is now active and ready to use. Now, navigate to Products and click on All Products. Now view a product. Now add a product to the cart. Let's test the coupon. Add the coupon code and click Apply Coupon. And the free gift is automatically added. That's it. You have successfully created a free gift coupon. Try it out and watch your customer engagement grow. That wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.